Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you steps to how to download, install and run XAMPP on your Windows computer. So basically XAMPP is a free software to run PHP, MySQL and Apache etc. Now let's get started. Open your browser, go to apachefriends.org. We'll have to download this for Windows, XAMPP for Windows, but I have already downloaded XAMPP. Just not to take your time, double click on it. XAMPP setup wizard, continue with installation. Yes. We'll have to click on OK. And this is welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. Need to click next. Select the components. Okay. MySQL, FileZilla. Okay. Now click on next. Here we need to select the folder. It's already in C. That's okay. Click on next. Language would be English. Next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP. Okay, next. Installation is in progress. Wait while files are installed. This may take time, a few minutes. Unpacking files. I think it is done. One more minute. Yes. Do you want to start the control panel now? Yes. We'll have to check this box. Click on finish. This is XAMPP control panel. We need to start MySQL. We can also start Apache. Now once again we'll go to the browser. We'll have to check for localhost. This is XAMPP dashboard. It means installation is successful. You can check the phpMyAdmin. Yes, it's perfectly working. You can check the PHP info page. You can see PHP version 8.2.12 is installed. So we downloaded, installed and tested XAMPP successfully on Windows. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much.